In this video, we'll be creating cases. Let's begin by locating the cases folder. In navigation view, I'll go to the cases area, and from here I can find the cases folder. And here is the folder for people that we created previously. One way that I can create cases are from the files that I have imported. In this example, I have individual interviews from a number of my participants. If I select all of these interviews, I can right click, and from my pop-up menu, I can select Create As. I'd like each interview to be coded to its own individual case, so I will go to Create As Cases. I'm going to place them in the People subfolder that I created under Cases in the Cases area. I'll go ahead and click OK. Now if I go to the Cases area in my navigation view and go to Cases and into my People subfolder, I can see that I've now created a case for each of those participants. If I double click to open one of those cases, you'll see that I've coded that entire participant's interview transcript to that case. Cases contain all the data related to a particular unit of observation, in this example, people. So if I had a second interview from Thomas, I would choose to code it to the case Thomas as well.